In this video, I will show you how to active the Last of Us theme on Instagram. Okay, let's get started. Open the Instagram app and go to your direct message. Select the chat where you want to apply to theme. Tap on the chat name, usually at the top of the screen, to open the chat settings. Tap on theme to browse the available option. If you see the Last of Us theme listed, select it to apply it to that chat. This way, you can active to Last of Us theme on Instagram. Thank you. If you like the video, subscribe and stay with us.